Hello everyone. Well, today I'm not going to teach you anything. I just want to talk to you for a few minutes. Actually, since a few days, a few of you are commenting or trying to say that we are not getting the videos, we are not understanding the videos, the content of the videos because you speak in English. So, you know what, I want to tell you that if you want to learn a language, if any language you want to learn, the process of learning a language starts from the listening. I will advise you that you should listen the voice, you should listen so that you can be able to grasp the words, the structure of the sentences. At least if you understand 50% of the video, that is enough for you. So please listen, watch the full videos, watch again and again so that you can get advantage of that video, what is the content of the video. Try to understand what are the words the speaker is using, what are the structures of the sentences. Try to understand them. Try to observe if you want to know how a child learns a language. So you will come to know how a child learns a language. Observe a child at your home, at your surroundings. You will find out. Observe a child how he learns the language. So please watch the videos, whatever video you find on the YouTube. If the speaker is speaking English, try to grasp the language, try to grasp the words, because you have to make your mind and your ear trained about listening the language. If you will be habitual of listening, you will get the ideas in the video, you will get the contents of the video. So please, I'm not saying that you watch only my videos, watch news also, watch some other channels, whoever are teaching in English. Try to grasp the language. First you start listening. At first you will feel that you are not getting the content of the video, the structure of the video. It is going over your head. After a few days or a few weeks or a few months, you will feel that now you are getting something. You are understanding 50 to 60%. And if you are getting 50 to 60%, that is enough for you. Because in the world there are a lot of dialect in English language also. Lot of accents are there. You can not understand each and every accent of the English, but if you understand at least one dialect in English, it is enough. That is very much enough for you. So I'm not going to teach you today anything. Just I had heard that someone is complaining that sir is speaking in English, sir is teaching in English, so we don't understand, that's why we don't watch videos. So please, I'm again very politely, very kindly request you, please watch whatever videos you find on YouTube if the speaker is speaking in English, because you have to make your mind and ears trained in that thing. First step is listening. First listen the language, then you will come to know how to speak. First listen, then speak. So please, once again I am saying that, I am repeating again that you should listen if you want to be master in English language, if you want to have command over English. And you might have seen one serial there was in our childhood, that was Mowgli. So he was placed in a jungle and he was living with the animals. and he learned the language of animals. He learns the language of animals. He conversed them. So how does it happen? It happens because when a child lives in an environment, whatever the language he is living in, he learns that language. If you might have born in America, so you might have learned English. If you might have born in Kerala, so you might have learned Keralian. If you might have born in Japan, then you might have learned Japanese. So whatever the environment would be, you will learn that kind of language. So please listen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.